To assign ringtone to a contact on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, first we're gonna go to the phone app. Now over here on the home page, we should be able to go to the contacts list, so tap on View Contacts here, or tap on these three lines in the upper left corner and go to Contacts in here. Once you open the contacts list, choose the contact for which you want to set the ringtone, and then we're gonna scroll down a little bit and you should be able to find Contact Ringtone option in here. So let's go over here, and then we can choose whichever app you want to use to set up the ringtone. So by default, we should probably use the Themes app, since it is always used even for the phone when we want to change the ringtone in general. So now over here, we should be able to go to pre-installed ringtones, and then over here we have our list of different ringtones that we have on our phone. Of course, you can tap on the ringtone in order to play the ringtone, and once you find the sound that you wish to set for the ringtone for that contact, just tap on apply on the right side and confirm your choice, and if needed, grant all the necessary permissions. And if nothing happened, if you still have this list, then just do that again, which might be the case if you had to grant the permission. And there we go, that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.